2022 IRS Tax Refunds Amended Tax Returns Update. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another breaking IRS news, alerts, and updates. Make sure you're watching till the very end. We have lots of information to cover. Next direct deposit date, the latest numbers still waiting to be processed, IRS codes, as well as replacement checks. Make sure you're watching till the very end. We are going to begin with the latest numbers reported on the IRS.gov website, October 21st, 2022. The IRS sadly still have 5 million unprocessed individual tax returns, and that does include the tax year 2021. 1.8 million returns require error correction, and 3.3 million are paper returns. And remember, paper returns can take up to 6 months, according to the IRS.gov website. Now, the amended tax returns are at 1.2 million on process forms 1040X, and they are taking more than the normal 20 weeks. You can check the status of your amended tax return on the Where Is My Amended Return tool, which is different than the Where Is My Refund tool for the regular tax refunds. The IRS continue to process tax returns that need to be manually reviewed due to errors. For returns received in the current year, they are stating that they are processing those returns that require refunds being issued first, and tax returns reflecting tax owed are processed last. If you mail a payment to the IRS, they will make sure to update your payment at the time they complete your tax return. As the return is processed, whether it was filed electronically or on paper, it may be delayed because it has a mistake, is missing information, or there is suspected identity theft or fraud. If they can fix it, they will fix it without contacting you. If they need more information, they will send you a notice or update your status on the Where Is My Refund or Where Is My Amended tool. The resolutions are taking more than 120 days to be completed. Now, if you file on paper and it has been more than 6 months and the Where Is My Refund still does not indicate that the IRS has received your return, they are suggesting that you resubmit your tax return electronically if possible, and to make sure it includes an original signature and include all documents submitted with the original return. If that situation does not apply to you, it states do not file a second tax return. I suggest instead calling the Taxpayer Advocate Service at 1-877-777-4778. That is your best resolution for all of you that are still waiting way beyond the normal 120 days for most review. All right. That is your best option, is to contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service. Now, the Where Is My Amended Return tool states that it can take up to 3 weeks before the IRS update the receipt of your return on the website. It can take up to 3 weeks for you to see a status of return. They are also updating statuses that they are still delayed with processing amended tax returns. If you receive a status like this one, make sure to contact the number listed there. You can also try contacting, like I just stated, the Taxpayer Advocate Service. Now, remember, I did the video. The IRS will be sending out notices for all of you who may be eligible for the credits, like the recovery rebate credit, child tax credit, earned income tax credit, and you didn't file 2021 tax return to receive those credits. this is an example of one of those notices. So if you receive this notice and you know you have already filed your return and claimed the credits that you're eligible for, then you do not need to do anything about that. If you have not filed and you're eligible for these credits, make sure you file a 2021 return so that you can claim the credits that you are eligible for. Now, here is an example of a timeline. If the IRS mail you your refund check, for example, this one here, the original refund was issued on September 12, 2022. It was undeliverable, sent back to the IRS September 19, and the IRS reissued the refund on October 21st, 2022. So if your refund was returned, your direct deposit was not accepted, the IRS has to send you a replacement check. It can take up to 30 days for you to receive that replacement check. And it states that the refund checks will be mailed only to the address the IRS have on file, which is on your tax return. All right. And here is an estimated federal tax refund schedule based on how you file. For instance, if you file e-file with direct deposit, it can take 1 to 3 weeks. If you file paper with direct deposit, it can take 3 weeks. If you e-file with a paper check, it can take up to 1 month. Paper file with paper check can take 2 months. All right. Now, IRS Transcript Codes. All right. 810 refund freeze, 811 remove refund freeze, 971 notice issued, 420 examination of tax return, and 846 is refund issued. These are the codes you can find on your IRS transcript. You can log on to your IRS account to check the status of your transcript, as well as the Where is My Refund tool. 971 is notice issued. 766 is credit to your account. And remember, the IRS will be crediting you interest for processing your tax refund delayed, and the interest is currently at 6% compound daily. So you will be paid interest for your delayed tax refunds. All right. 570 is additional account action pending, and 768 is earned income tax credit. Now, the next direct deposit date is October 26, 2022. That is the next day you should be getting your tax refund. Hopefully, you will be getting your refund before or by the end of this year, because the IRS commissioner stated they would be caught up by the end of this year with the backlog. So hopefully you will be receiving your refund. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most. I am doing the research so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.